Well, why don't we start thinking about what the water cycle is? Any guesses?
Oh, I think I know this. Is it the way the water's always moving around the planet?
That's a really good way to put it. Water is always moving, and things like temperature, gravity, humidity, and human activity can change it, and that's why it's constantly changing. And the water cycle will help us understand that. So for an example, let's think about rain. When clouds burst, the rain falls from the sky to the earth and all over the planet.
So that means water is moving from one place to another?
That's right. And it's our responsibility to understand that we only have a limited amount of water on the planet and we have to conserve it.
Otherwise, we can experience things like droughts.
Exactly. So let's go see what else we can find.
Where does the water end up at the end of a river?
Well, once the water runs through lakes, it joins rivers that then makes its way out into the ocean. And that's a huge body of water. In fact, it's where most of the water on Earth is, about 96.5% of it.
Now that's a lot of water.
It is.
What happens to the water in the ocean?
Well, when water sits in places like lakes and oceans, heat causes it to evaporate up into the sky. And that water vapor makes tiny water droplets that group together and they form clouds. Come on, I can show you.
So clouds are basically big bunches of water that gather together and float in the sky.
Yeah, you got it. I think this'll help us.
Wow, so clouds turn into rain and the cycle repeats over and over. I think that means we've learned the full water cycle.
You definitely have. Awesome job.